Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on October 19th and 20th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. National New Friends Day. National New Friends Day is observed annually on October 19th. This day celebrates the importance of making and nurturing new friendships. As social creatures, humans naturally seek connections and relationships with others. While old friends provide a sense of familiarity, history, and comfort, new friendships open the door to fresh perspectives, experiences, and opportunities for growth. Making new friends can be especially beneficial during significant life changes, such as moving to a new city, starting a new job, or entering a new phase of life. New friendships can provide support, guidance, and a sense of belonging in unfamiliar situations. They can also enrich our lives by introducing us to different cultures, ideas, hobbies, and activities. On National New Friends Day, people are encouraged to step out of their comfort zones, meet new people, and foster connections. It can be celebrated by joining a new club, attending social gatherings, participating in community events, or simply starting a conversation with someone new. The day serves as a reminder of the joy and enrichment new friendships can bring into our lives and the importance of being open to forming new bonds. Evaluate Your Life Day. Evaluate Your Life Day is observed annually on October 19th. This day encourages individuals to take a step back and reflect on their lives, choices, goals, and the direction they are headed. It's an opportunity for introspection, to assess one's priorities, and to determine if one is on track to achieve personal and professional aspirations. Life can often become busy, with many people getting caught up in the day-to-day routine, seldom pausing to consider the bigger picture or question if they're genuinely content with their current path. Evaluate Your Life Day serves as a designated moment for such reflection. It pushes individuals to ask themselves important questions about their satisfaction with their career, relationships, hobbies, and even personal growth. Celebrating this day might involve setting aside some quiet time for self-reflection, perhaps journaling about one's feelings and aspirations or discussing life goals with a close friend or family member. Some might consider seeking guidance from a counselor or life coach to get a clearer perspective on their current situation. Overall, Evaluate Your Life Day serves as a valuable reminder of the importance of self-awareness and the continuous pursuit of personal growth and happiness. It's a call to ensure that one's daily actions align with their broader life goals and values. National Seafood Bisque Day. National Seafood Bisque Day is observed annually on October 19th. This day is dedicated to celebrating the rich and creamy dish known as seafood bisque. A bisque is a smooth, creamy, and highly seasoned soup of French origin, classically based on a strained broth of crustaceans, though it can encompass various kinds of seafood. The key to a traditional seafood bisque is its intense flavor, achieved by using the shells of the crustaceans, such as lobster, shrimp, or crab, to create a deep and flavorful stock. This is then thickened and combined with ingredients like wine or cognac, cream, and sometimes tomato, resulting in a luxurious, velvety soup. On National Seafood Bisque Day, restaurants might offer special variations of seafood bisque or give discounts to patrons eager to enjoy a bowl. Home cooks might also take the opportunity to prepare their own version of this classic dish. The day not only promotes the culinary delight of seafood bisque but also highlights the diversity and richness of seafood dishes in general. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a casual diner, National Seafood Bisque Day is an opportunity to indulge in and appreciate this classic and comforting dish. International Chef's Day. International Chef's Day is celebrated annually on October 20th. It's a day to honor and celebrate the professionals who bring culinary delights to our tables, showcasing their creativity, innovation, and dedication to the art and science of cooking. Chefs play a vital role not only in restaurants but also in various sectors of the food industry, making a significant impact on our dining experiences and food choices. The day is not just about recognizing chefs but also about emphasizing the continuous education and sharing of culinary techniques, trends, and traditions. International Chef's Day offers an opportunity for chefs around the world to come together, share their skills with the public, and inspire the next generation of culinary professionals. Various events, workshops, and activities are often organized on this day by culinary institutions, restaurants, and chefs themselves, focusing on themes that promote healthy eating, sustainability, and the rich tapestry of global cuisines. Established by the World Association of Chefs Societies, World Chefs, in 2004, International Chef's Day serves as a reminder of the chef's influential role in society, not just as a cook, but as a mentor, artist, and innovator in the realm of food. World Osteoporosis Day. World Osteoporosis Day is observed annually on October 20th. Organized by the International Osteoporosis Foundation, IOF, the day is dedicated to raising global awareness about osteoporosis and other bone diseases. Osteoporosis, which means porous bone, is a condition where the quality and density of bone are reduced, leading to fragility of the bones and an increased risk of fractures. It is often dubbed the silent disease because it can progress unnoticed until a bone breaks. The primary goal of World Osteoporosis Day is to educate the public about the importance of maintaining healthy bones throughout one's life. The day emphasizes the prevention, early detection, and treatment of osteoporosis. Each year, the IOF introduces a specific campaign theme focusing on various aspects of the disease. These themes help bring attention to risk factors, the importance of early diagnosis, the role of nutrition and exercise, and other pertinent issues. Healthcare professionals, patient societies, and communities around the world participate in World Osteoporosis Day by organizing events, campaigns, and educational sessions. These initiatives aim to inform individuals about proactive measures to protect bone health, the significance of timely bone density tests, and the need for a balanced diet rich in calcium and vitamin D. World Osteoporosis Day serves as a call to action for healthcare systems and policymakers to prioritize bone health and fracture prevention. By raising awareness and understanding of osteoporosis, the goal is to reduce the global burden of this debilitating disease and improve the quality of life for those affected. National Brandied Fruit Day. National Brandied Fruit Day is observed annually on October 20th. This day celebrates the delightful combination of fruit that has been preserved in brandy and sweetened with sugar. Brandied fruit is a traditional method of preserving fruits, especially those that are in season for a short time, allowing them to be enjoyed year-round. Making brandied fruit typically involves combining fresh fruits, sugar, and brandy, then allowing the mixture to sit for several weeks. The sugar and brandy act as preservatives, preventing spoilage, while the fruit imparts flavor to the brandy. Over time, the fruit becomes saturated with the brandy and sugar, making it a sweet, alcoholic treat. This preserved fruit can be served on its own, used as a topping for desserts like ice cream or pound cake, or even included in various recipes. It's a versatile delicacy with a rich history, harking back to times when preservation methods were essential for survival during off-season months. On National Brandied Fruit Day, enthusiasts might celebrate by preparing their own jars of brandied fruit, trying out recipes that feature it, or simply enjoying a serving of this delectable treat. It's a day to appreciate the confluence of preservation techniques and culinary delights, reminding us of the simple yet profound pleasures of food. National Youth Confidence Day. National Youth Confidence Day is observed annually on October 20th in the United States. This day is dedicated to recognizing and celebrating the potential of young people and promoting their self-confidence. Youth, being the future leaders, innovators, and contributors to society, benefit immensely from encouragement, support, and recognition, which can bolster their self-esteem and prepare them for future challenges. Confidence plays a pivotal role in a young person's development. It influences their ability to face challenges, pursue opportunities, and interact positively with peers and adults alike. Building confidence during formative years can have lasting positive effects, helping individuals become resilient, assertive, and self-assured adults. On National Youth Confidence Day, educators, parents, mentors, and community leaders are encouraged to engage in activities that boost the confidence of young people. This can include workshops, motivational talks, team-building exercises, or simply sharing stories of personal challenges and achievements. The day serves as a reminder of the importance of nurturing and fostering the self-worth and capabilities of the younger generation. By equipping them with confidence, we are essentially setting them on a path to success, personal fulfillment, and meaningful contributions to society. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.